And the fourth conflict is favoritism. Favoritism means treating one person better than others, even if you don't deserve it. It's just because you like them more. And this is one of the biggest reasons behind the team conflict. And sometimes it's often referred to as the mother of all team problems. For instance, Sam is a team member who is always favored by the manager. Although he does not perform well, yet he gets praise in front of the senior leadership. And this makes other team members feel less important or ignored. So what happens? They form their own group and start behaving in a passive-aggressive manner, like avoiding responsibility, missing deadlines, and silently resisting the authority. So over the time, this behavior grows into a toxic environment where team members start working against the manager instead of working together as a team. And remember, when there is unfair treatment or favoritism, people stop trusting the leader. And when there is no trust, no team can succeed.
So there are two solutions to eliminate favoritism. First, be emotionally intelligent. Build genuine emotional connection with your team by value them, recognize them, appreciate them, and genuinely care about their well-being. And second, implement a performance management system. Use clear KPIs, key performance indicators, or regular performance reviews to evaluate each team members based on results, not relationships. When everyone knows they are judged by the same standard, trust and motivation definitely increases.